the Bernina 21392, and what a beautiful loco this is. Run it in its traditional yellow colours, and what we did was to completely strip it down, take a look at what was wrong with it from the old LGB sound card, identified all of the wiring, took the motor blocks apart, cleaned them, re-greased all of the gearboxes, reassembled it, put it back together again. We retested it with the new sound card, which was the iMotion XLS sound card. We tested it on a chassis basis around the track, and then we started to identify all of the internal cab wiring, the car wiring, and the front and the rear lighting. All of that is been tested, and it's all working okay. We've now reassembled everything. We've put the lighting in the correct terminals, but the only thing that needs to be done now is actually it needs to be programmed. So the next job will be to be reprogramming it, but we have tested it, and it's working really very well. The only problem that we have is one of the seateds inside with one of the moderate passengers has become dislodged, so it's going to have to come apart for connecting that one as well anyway, and also the magnetic reed needs to be connected and proved to be working. But by and large it's been a very successful project. It is a stunning, beautiful train, and I'm now going to put it on the track and demonstrate it to you in working mode.
Bahnsteig. Abfahrt Bernina Express nach Tirano über Pontresina, Hospicio Bernina auf Grün, Poschiavo. Bitte zurücktreten.
Attenzione al marciapiede della stazione, in partenza di Bernina Express da Tirano a San Moritz. Passa da Poschiavo a Grün, Hospicio Bernina, Pontresina. Prego di iniziare.
Express von St. Moritz nach Tirano über Pontresina, Hospicio Bernina aus Grün, Santiago. Bitte zurücktreten.
Attenzione al marciapiede della stazione in partenza di Bernina Express da Tirano a St. Moritz. Passa da Poschiavo a Grün, Hospizio, Bernina, Pontresina. Prego di direggiare.
So there you have it, the Bernina Express Classic in yellow, a wonderful and very beautiful model of the LGB range. So that's it, it's now complete, and congratulations to you to making it to the end of this video. If you like it, ding the bell. If you don't, it doesn't really matter. I've got probably about 15 subscribers now, so I'm getting truly excited. Join if you want to, send a comment, good or bad, I don't mind. But thanks again, and keep in touch for the next video.